Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use bonus on 22-bit. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in 22bits.me. Once you enter that, you'll get these kind of results. Now from this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this page. Now on this page, you'll have to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can register for one by clicking on this link where it says registration. If you already do have an account, click on this login button, then log into your account. Now once you're logged in, on this top bar, you will see different kind of options. From these options, click on the one where it says bonuses. Then it will show you different kind of bonus. All you have to do is choose one of these bonuses, then click on this find out more button to see the instruction to get the bonus. Or you can also read the terms and conditions of the bonus by clicking on this button to check if you're eligible to redeem the bonus or not. You can find different kind of bonus in this page. You can select any one and use it. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.